this video lesson, the title is Superlative Adjectives and Comparative Adjectives. You will be able to list the positive, comparative, and superlative adjectives. And another one, use the adjectives to compare between nouns correctly. What is comparative adjective? Adjective that compares two nouns. We usually add er or more to the adjective. You can refer to the video lesson titled Spelling Rules in my previous lesson. List of comparative adjectives. Alright, let's see. Taller, better, more, smarter, heavier, cheaper, less, bigger. All these words we consider as comparative adjective. We will use this word to compare between two nouns. Now, what is superlative adjective? Is adjective that compares more than two nouns. We usually add est and most to the adjective. Now again, you can refer to my previous lesson titled Spelling Rules to get to know which words that you add est or add most to the adjectives. Now, list of comparative adjectives. The examples of the words are cheapest, tallest, best, most, smarter, heaviest, least, and biggest. Those are the words that we use when we want to compare more than two or more nouns. Alright? So let's look at the adjectives we put into the table, so you can see the difference. Positive, old, the comparative is older, the superlative is the word oldest, and the rest of the word: big, bigger, biggest, thin, thinner, thinnest, fast, faster, fastest, cheap, cheaper, cheapest, slow, slower, and slowest. Next is the word that we add more. Example like the word famous is positive, or comparative, more famous, and superlative, most famous. And the rest of the words are hardworking, more hardworking, most hardworking, beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful, interesting, more interesting, and most interesting for superlative. Now, the word good or comparative become better, and superlative best, bad, worse, worse, many or much. Comparative becomes more, for superlative become most. Then far, farther, farthest, a little, less, and least. So all these differences or changes, if you don't understand, you can refer to the previous video titled Spelling Rules of Adjectives. Alright, now let's see how to use the comparative and superlative adjectives in sentences. Let's learn together. This is a candy, right? A candy. This is a cake. Yes, a cake. And a donut. So what is the adjective for this noun? Yes, sweet. how do we say all these are sweet? Candy, cake, and donut are sweet. Cake is sweeter than donut. And donut is the sweetest. Do you agree with me? Alright, let's learn the next noun. What's this? Oh, who's this? Boy. Oh, name Andika. Who's this? Ready. Another one? Mamito. So what is the adjectives for these three boys? What do you think? Handsome? Alright, handsome. They are all handsome. Now, let's compare them. Mamito is more handsome than Brady, right? Andika is the most handsome. Yes, I think everybody agree with me. Alright, let's learn noun number 3. Okay, who's this? Suraya. Okay, looks the same. Surani. Alright. Surina. So what's all the adjectives to describe these three women? I think. Alright, fast. So they are all fast. Let's compare them. Suraya is faster than Surani. Okay. Surina is the fastest. Yes. Let's learn. Next one. What's this? A knife. Yes. What's this? A pair of scissors. A fork. What is the word for adjectives? Sharp. Sharp is the adjectives. A knife, scissors, and a fork are sharp. Scissors are sharper than a fork. Knife is the sharpest. Alright. Ready? Ready for exercise? Compare these nouns correctly. Alright, what is this? A shark. Yes, a shark. What's this? A whale. A walrus. What is the word? Can you compare them? These animals are big. Yes, obviously these animals are big. Can you compare them? The shark and the walrus. The shark is bigger than the walrus. Can you compare the three of them? The whale is the biggest animal. Alright, we have come to the end of the lesson. If you would like to understand how the comparative and superlative words change, check for the previous video titled The Spelling Rules. So you will be able to change the adjectives correctly. Alright? Thank you. See you in my next video.